Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to format checkbox PDF forms in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is incredibly useful when you want your checkboxes to have a clean, professional look that matches your document's overall design. Let's jump right into it. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF file you want to format the checkbox in. This will open your document and prepare it for editing. Now, in the upper left toolbar, navigate to All Tools and click View More to expand the full menu. This gives you access to Adobe's complete toolkit. From here, scroll down until you find Prepare a Form and click on it. This tool is specifically designed for working with interactive PDF elements like checkboxes, text fields, and buttons. Next, highlight all the text boxes you want to format. Once they're selected, right-click on the checkbox, and from the menu that appears, select Properties. This opens up the Customization panel where you can adjust how your checkboxes look and behave. In the Properties window, navigate to the Appearance tab. Here, you'll see options for border color and fill color. Click the color picker beside border color and select No Color. Then do the same for fill color by clicking its color picker and selecting No Color as well. This removes any default coloring and gives your checkboxes a cleaner, more minimalist appearance. Now, in the top toolbar, click on Options. This section controls the functional aspects of your checkboxes. Navigate to Checkbox Style and you'll see a drop-down menu beside it. Click that drop-down menu and select your preferred checkbox style from the available options. This determines what the checkbox will look like when it's checked or unchecked. Once you've made your selection, click Close to apply your changes and exit the Properties window. Before finalizing everything, it's important to test how your formatted checkboxes actually work. In the bottom left corner, click Preview to test the checkboxes in action. This lets you interact with the form as your users would, ensuring everything functions correctly and looks the way you intended. Try clicking a few checkboxes to see how they respond. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, click Exit Preview in the upper right corner to return to the editing mode. Finally, click the Save button in the upper right to save all your formatting changes to the PDF, and there you have it. You've successfully formatted your PDF checkboxes in Adobe Acrobat Pro to achieve a polished, professional look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.